Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Thank you for being here. And today I've been having so much fun. I've been on little shopping sprees and just, I don't know, I've been having a lot of fun doing some holiday shopping this year and sharing some of those in beauty hauls. But today I'm going to share with you a few things I got from HomeGoods, TJ Maxx. Right there, I filled up a few of these bags, so I have some fun things to share. And so let's just get started. Okay, friends. I also have a couple of things from Ross that I'm going to show too. But I do want to say thank you to my subscribers for being here. If you guys would like to support my channel, you can hit the like button, subscribe, help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm getting closer, so I'd appreciate that if you wish. And so let's just get to this haul. So the first thing I'm going to show is a couple things I got, I believe. Did I get both of these from Ross? Whenever I go on vacation, I always look for bags that are easy to carry. And the first thing I bought, and then I ended up not using it, was this. I got this kind of a backpack. This is from Tommy Hilfiger. It's just a fun neutral color backpack. I haven't used it yet. I'm sure I'll find a time to use it. But anyway, it's really efficient and kind of fun. So there's that. That's the problem. I end up buying one or two things and it's not exactly what I want. But then I got this Steve Madden crossbody bag, which I did use this for my latest travel. I like it because it has the little front pockets where I can keep like lotion and sprays and lip stuff in here. And then it has just pockets. It has front pocket, back pocket. So anyway, I really like this bag. I like the handle, anyway, crossbody. So there's that. Now in here I have something else I got, and I took apart, but this is something I got from TJ Maxx, and it came this little, I'll show you what this looks like. It came in, I'm already using it, but it had a wallet, cute keychain that I'm not using, and then the purse right here. I did use the purse and the wallet. I really like the wallet. That was the one thing that sold me on this kit. So here it is. Here's the whole set. I think it was in the 30s dollar-wise. I love the wallet. It just really feels good. And then in the front of the wallet, it had this. I'll put it in here. It had this thing that holds cards, so I actually use it separate. So I don't always take my wallet everywhere, this part of my wallet. So if I just want to have, like take this, right here. This has the credit cards that I use, my driver's license, and just anyway. So I can just stick this right here in my purse here, along with my phone. And so that's that. So anyway, that was fun. They did have several different styles of this at TJ Maxx. So if you're interested, it's a nice bag. It's from Lynette Lepore, and the bag also has like a couple of the front and back pocket, and then has the inside, decent inside. So anyway, I was happy with that purchase. So there's that. And let's see, there's one more thing I was going to show that was right here. I already took this out because I was using it, but I got a phone case with you can put a card or driver's license or something in there if you want. It's got the holder. Anyway, I kind of like this. It was a little bit wild, but I'm kind of wild too. So there's that. And so let's just get into this other stuff we got here. I was having fun. I usually always give something to my family to wear at Christmas, like a pre-Christmas, you know. We don't always do pajamas because they get pajamas from their other side of the family. But anyway, I got these little Grinch socks for my grandchildren, for Roxy and Ryan. And then I got another, this is men's crew socks. These are another Grinch pairs of socks. I like them because they're the higher ones. And the crew socks, that's what they look like right there. Anyway, so these are just fun little stocking stuffer type gifts for that. I got this Mary. This is a peppermint from Peppermint Square. It's a 6-foot garland. It's Merry and Bright, I believe is what it says. And there's the Mary. It's just real cute, sparkly. I think it'll go with, I have a garland that it's to look cute with underneath my fireplace. So anyway, there's that. It's one of those last minute pickups. I think it was in the aisle, like when you're waiting for the registers. That's like my favorite aisle in the store at TJ Maxx. Waiting in line at the registers. I love to shop all the fun things they have. And I was in line and this little girl was in a cart with her mom or whatever right in front of me. And the little girl was like, I want that. I want that. I want that in the line. And it just made me laugh because I was like, that's me. That's totally me. I want that and that and that. Anyway, while you're waiting in line. I have no idea what this is about, but I bought this game. It's called Slide into the DMs. It's cards. The party game where it goes down in the DMs. So it's one of the what do you mean games. Anyway, I just thought this was fun. I like to get games around the holidays, something new. So there's that. Let's see what else we have here, you guys. Just random stuff. I think I got this on the aisle too. I love like scoops. This is just a fun like an ice scoop or whatever. I just really liked it, so I picked that up. It's got a white handle. They had different colors, but I like the white with the gold. So there's that. And wow, what do we have here? It looks like we got some makeup stuff. Yay. Okay, so I was excited because they had Laura Gellar and they had Pat McGrath. So I got a couple of Laura Gellar things and a couple of Pat McGrath things. So the first, let's go with Pat McGrath here. The first thing I got, can't remember what it is. I think it's a lip product of some kind. Okay, cute little box. Okay, this is a Pat McGrath lipstick. I like Pat McGrath lipsticks. I've used them before. This one is just kind of a rosy, color. It's looks a little bit different in the light. It looks a little more peachy, but it's a little more mauve. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I really like that color. So anyway, that's the first thing from Pat McGrath. So if you have a TJ Maxx, you want to check and see if they still have some of this makeup. Here's another thing from Pat McGrath, and I believe this is a palette. Not sure what kind of a palette yet. I can't remember. I got these before I went to Hawaii, so I've had them for a couple weeks, and I can't remember what all I got. But anyway, this is, it has the magnetic closure. Okay, so this is a face palette. There's what it looks like there, and it looks like we've got a bronze, blush, and highlight. It's real pretty. Isn't that really pretty? So I'm actually really excited about that. That's kind of fun. So, and then the Laura Gellar products I got. It looks like this one might be another face palette. We'll see. Here's that. And let's open it up and see what we got in here. Okay, oh, this is a lip and cheek, I believe. So, pretty colors. So, those are just lip and cheek, or is it highlight? Let me see. Lip cheek palette. Eye, lip, and cheek. So, I guess it can be used anywhere, pretty much, as a makeup. So, anyway, those are really pretty colors right along my lines. So, I like that. And then the next thing from Laura Geller I got is, this is the wearables. It's Act Naturally. This is an eyeshadow palette. There we go. That's what it looks like there. This was $7.99. And Laura Geller, the wearables, 12 multi-finish eyeshadows, natural. And okay, so it's just all like nudes, natural colors. I actually really like that. That's just really cool, really pretty if you want to just wear a nude, natural kind of look. There you go. So once again, that was $7.99. The Pat McGrath items were $9.99. This lip, eye, and cheek palette was $4.99. So anyway, those are my makeup deals. Very fun. And now we're going to see what else is in the bag here. I cannot remember everything I got, so it's fun sharing. But okay, so I have another bag in here. This is, I don't know why I got this. I think I did because I liked these in the past, but they never have the whole set. They would just have one or two. And these are the owls. This is Hear, See, and Say No Evil. They were $5.99 each. And I really don't like an owl telling me what to do or think or say. But I just think these were kind of cute. Cute for a shelf. So let's get this one. This one is See. And this one is going to be Say. Okay, so we got Say No Evil, See No Evil, and Hear No Evil. So we got those. So that is, I think, is that the last thing I have in there? Anyway, so this was kind of a fun little haul. I liked it. So lots of fun gifts and ideas and holiday things. And anyway, so there we go. That's it. Do you guys shop at TJ Maxx? Do you love it? I just find random things. Usually it's the one store I can go to that I don't really have if I have specific needs, I'll go there. But it's just, if I'm able to shop or, want to spend some money, then I will just buy random things that are fun. And I love gift cards from there because that it allows me to go in and buy things I might not normally buy for myself. So anyway, so that's it. Let me know what your thoughts are on shopping, Ross, TJ Maxx, some of these discount stores. Have you ever is there a find you just have found that is really amazing? Go ahead and share that with me. Let me know in the comments. And I guess that's it for now. I appreciate your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends? Okay, bye-bye.